Chris from the Barbecue Shack. Today we're going to be talking about the brand new Gozney Tread and some of its accessories. You're in the Devon area, come on in and check it out. The Gozney Tread has been designed to be a truly portable oven, being a third lighter than the Gozney Rockbox. As you can see, it has got two handles on the top and a lovely range of accessories helping you on your adventures with the new Gozney Tread. Check out our page for the unboxing video of the Tread. For now we're going to talk about these two features on the side. You've got the ignition and the temperature gauge. Again, on the side, so it's very easy to see and access. This oven heats up very quickly, but more importantly, cools down within 20 minutes. The Gozney Tread has got these two handles. These are not only there for easy pick up and put down, they're also there to help you fit the roof rack. The roof rack comes with a detachable chopping board, making it easy to do your food prep away from the oven. It is also heat resistant, so not only can you put your hot pizzas on here, you can also put your cast iron on top. Speaking of cast iron, they have also released a mantle. This mantle, as you can see, is very easy to fit, and it also makes life a lot easier when cooking with cast iron. Now we're going to talk about the two new peels. These peels have been released in conjunction with the Tread, but there's no reason why these can't be used in the other ovens. These have got the same performance as their Pro range, but as you can see, a lot smaller and a lot easier to use with the Gozney Tread. Okay, next we're going to talk about the venture stand. This has been designed to make it easy for you to take the oven on and off. This has been designed with adventure in mind. You've got a bubble level on the top, so you can adjust the legs to make sure that the level is perfect for when you're using the oven. As you can see, it's just as easy to put on as it is to take off. Okay, the last accessory you're going to discuss is the venture bag. Again, not only has this been designed to take the oven, it's also got a nice handy pocket, your venture peel to fit. You've also got a good slot at the back here with a padded bag for your gas hose and regulator. Prevents any damage whilst you're taking the Tread on your adventures. As you can see, nice and lightweight, easy to take with you. Okay, now we're going to discuss starting the Gozney Tread. In the UK, Gozney does provide a gas hose and regulator. This is using a patio gas fitting. At the back here, simply take off the cap, slot the gas hose in place. We've already put the ignition battery in its place. Don't forget to turn the gas on, and more importantly, the flame guard. Once you've done that and your gas is on, come over to the ignition, push it in to get your spark going, turn anti-clockwise to get your flame on. Guys, thank you for watching this video on the Gozney Tread. If you did like the video, please like and subscribe. There'll be a lot more content coming out soon. If you're in the southwest of England, please call into the Barbecue Shack, where you can see our vast array of Kamados, pizza ovens, smokers, Yetis, and coffee machines. If you're not in the area, please check out our website where you can order all of the products you've seen today. Thanks again.